Hi everybody. I have no idea what week it is. So welcome to week 4. It's been a bit of a blur because we've been lambing, but we finally finished. Last ewe lambed on Sunday and we're feeling really chuffed with the way lambing's gone. We're really thrilled to have some rain because we were a bit short of grass and this rain should help push it on. I know those of you who are stuck at home with kids inside are perhaps not so pleased, and I get that, but from a farming perspective some rain is seriously welcome. And anyway, so I thought this week we would go out and about in the fields and I'd show you what happens after lambing, which is mummies and baby sheep running around the fields enjoying the grass and being fed. So enjoy. Everybody knows. Alright ladies. So while the girls are feeding, I just have to walk around the field and check for all the lambs, because what happens is the girls come running, as you saw, and they quite often leave their babies behind, which is fine because they've remembered where they put them. But I just like to go and make sure that everybody's well and happy, especially since we just had a bit of rain, which they're not used to. So you can see a couple here. These are the youngest ones, 46. Just go and check they're all right. So I'm just about to do my daily exercise, which involves lifting half a bag of sheep feed over my shoulder and carrying it up to feed the doubles. They need feeding for about 3 weeks after lambing to make sure that they have plenty of milk, and after that everything relies solely on grass. So for now, for the next few weeks, it's quite hard labour. So Joe Wicks, eat your heart out. I'm about to do a bit of weightlifting. And just to prove to you that I am actually doing it, you can see the sack over my shoulder. Just walking across the field, about to go up the hill. I'll have to put the camera down to get through the gates and things, so I'll sign off for a sec, and once I've fed the doubles I'll show you a little video of all the lambs running around in the field, which is an absolute joy. Everybody's had their fill. There's always the find my mummy game. A lot of barring. Everybody calls for their lambs and they call for their mummies, and you'd be amazed. We'll come out here this evening and everybody will have 2 lambs. Hello missus, have you come to say hello? I think that's a lovely shot to finish on. What are you saying? See you next week? Yeah.